I'll be showing how to pin a post in Microsoft Teams, and it allows you to pin certain messages in the info area of a channel, which I'll show. I'm here in Teams, and I'm just going to go to this message here, and if I go to the ... menu, there's going to be a new choice called Pin, and I'm going to click this. It gives me a confirmation dialog to pin this message for anyone who views this channel, and I'll click Pin. Now note that there's a little green pin that shows up here, and it shows as pinned. Now the key part is, well, where does this show up in terms of pinning in the channel? In the upper right, there's this new little info, this I for info for channel info. And I click this, and it's going to have a whole set of information about the channel. All pinned posts will show up down here, like you can see. I also have things like about, the name of the channel, who are the members in the channel. You can see a set of members here, who's recently contributed. As an owner, I can even go and add other members. If I click that right here, I could add more people. And if I scroll down, I see the pinned post right here. And if I click that, you'll see the list of all the pins. So in this case, I only have one. I'll go back and pin another post just so you can see what that looks like. So I'll go here, I'll go to the ... menu, and I'll click pin. And I'll confirm. And you can see it adds this right above the original one. So now I go into pinned post, and you'll see both of these pinned messages. Now, anyone who comes in here can click this pinned message, and it'll take them right to it. I'll show what it looks like as a student signed in just a second, so you can see from that experience as well. The one other thing in the info pane is updates. So down at the bottom, you can see all the updates that have been made to the channel. So you can see that yesterday I added someone to the team. There's other units here that I've added, different channel names, and you can kind of see a little history of the updates that have happened in the channel. That's why this is called the channel information button. If I want to unpin a post, I can go back to the ... menu, and we'll hover here. I'll click this, choose unpin. Same thing, it asks me to confirm, and it unpins that post right there. So now what I'll do is I will sign in as a student just to show what it looks like from the membership side. If you're just a member of the team and not an owner, you'll get to see this as well. I'm signed in as a student for the class, and again, I can see this little pin icon in green as a student. If I go to the I up here, show channel info, you'll see down at the bottom, these are the posts that are pinned. So it's really easy to find out as a member of the team or a student. If you found this video useful, give it a like. Now, if you want to keep up with all the latest quick tip videos that I'll keep releasing, subscribe to my channel and then just ring the bell so you get notified for all the new videos that post.